Hi, in this session we can understand the concept of hydrogen spectrum. When H2 gas, that means hydrogen gas, is passed through silent electric discharge tube, when what happens? When hydrogen gas is passed through silent electric discharge tube, it splits into two atoms, each hydrogen carrying one electron. What happens? Hydrogen molecule is splits into atoms, it carrying one electron. That means hydrogen bond is break. It will separate it and it carry one electron. So two hydrogens, each hydrogen carrying one electron. The hydrogen is very unstable. It reacts with easily. So in the ground state, the hydrogen atom is excited to higher energy levels, that is U2, and the ground state lower energy level, that is E1. When electron jumps from lower energy level to higher energy level, but it does not stable in the higher energy level, it comes back to different transitions are observed. So many lines of spectra is formed. There are 5 series are formed, that is Lyman series, Balmer series, Paschen series, and bracket series, P-Fund series. What they are? 5 series are observed in the hydrogen spectrum: Lyman series, Balmer series, Paschen series, bracket series, P-Fund series. Here the hydrogen spectrum is like this. When electron jumps from higher energy level, it comes back, different lines of spectra are formed. When electron jumps from higher energy level to a first energy level, that is n equal to 1. n equal to 1 is the first energy level, and n equal to 2 is the second energy level, n equal to 3 is the third energy level, n equal to 4 is the fourth energy level, and so on. Here, when electron jumps from higher energy level to lower energy level, that equal to n equal to first level, the Lyman series is formed. This Lyman series is observed in ultraviolet region. When electron jumps from higher energy levels to second energy level, that equal to Balmer series is formed. This Balmer series is observed in visible region. When electron jumps from higher energy level to third energy level, the Paschen series are formed. This is observed in the IR region. It is very close to the infrared region. That means IR is the infrared region. Paschen series is near to the IR region. When electron jumps from middle IR region, the bracket series are formed. This is observed in the middle IR region. When electron jumps from fifth energy level, P-Fund series is formed. So these series are observed in the far IR region. Now this spectra is concluded that tabular formula, that is series region, and N1 is the lower energy level, it is fixed, and N2 is greater than N1. This is the N2 is the higher energy level. The series are Lyman series, Balmer series, Paschen series, bracket series, P-Fund series. Region is Lyman series is formed in UV region, Balmer series is formed in visible region, and Paschen series is formed in near IR region, and bracket series is formed in middle IR region, and P1 series is formed in far IR region. Bracket series is middle IR region, and very close to the IR region Paschen series. Away from the IR region, distance for IR region P1 series. Here N1 equal to fixed, that is when electron jumps from higher energy levels to a first energy level is called as Lyman series. Here N equal to 1, that means N1 equal to 1 lower energy level, and N2 equal to higher energy levels 2, 3, 4 and so on, like this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And next one, Balmer series. In Balmer series, N1 equal to 2. And when electron jumps from higher energy levels to lower energy level, that is N equal to 2 and N2 equal to 3, 4, 5 and so on. In Paschen series, when electron jumps from higher energy levels to a third energy level, that is N1 equal to 3 and N2 equal to 4, 5, 6 and so on. In bracket series, this is the fourth series. This is observed in middle IR region when electron jumps from higher energy levels to fourth energy level, that is, this is a bracket series. When electron jumps from higher energy levels to fourth energy level, this series is called bracket series. And N1 equal to 4 and N2 equal to 5, 6, 7 and so on. And last series, P1 series, this is observed in the far IR region, and lower energy level N is 5 and N2 equal to 6, 7, 8. That is called P1 series. This is the P1 series. P1 series, when electron jumps from higher energy levels to fifth energy level, that means 6 to 5, 7 to 5, 8 to 5. So N1 equal to 5 and N2 equal to 6, 7, 8. This region is observed in the far IR region. Thank you, students.